how to move your After Effects project and files to another PC. So I posted this video some time ago, and it has had about 1.6k views, and I figured out that some persons don't also know how to move files from Premiere Pro, also like pack files from Premiere Pro and move it to a different system, packing files in Premiere Pro. As you can see now, what I have here under my project panel in the Premiere Pro is I have a video footage that I only use the audio as a background for this project. It's just an advert. It's just an advert. It's a kickoff meeting that is coming up soon, so just showing something for persons to see and all that. Okay, then we have the animation itself. It was done with After Effects and exported as MOV QuickTime, and so we have it here. But then if you go to where I save this work, which is under this folder here, let me see how to go straight to it, to where I save the work, and then you want to send this file to someone. This is the file Drama Kickoff. It says here 14 kilobytes, and this 14 kilobyte is not really true because we have a Drama Kickoff move, okay, in that same Premiere Profile, and this Drama Kickoff is 123 MB or 123 MB. Okay, if you estimate that or approximate that to MB, we have 123 MB, and then we also have this movie 53 MB. So how can the file just be 14 kilobyte? And then when you send this, you figure out that the person does not have all the files that the Premiere Pro is working with to be able to project. So the Premiere Pro on its own, like a singular file, is not a project. There are other things that mix up the project, okay, like other files that mix up the project. Okay, so sending that singular file will be an error. Okay, so what do you do when you have this kind of thing? So we have what we call Project Manager. Okay, very funny. So Project Manager is just the kind of dialog box that will open up and collect all the files to the location you want it to be collected. So here it says, the first pin here says collect files and copy to a new location. Yes, that's what you want to do. Then here, the destination part, you want to choose the part where you want it to be collected. So most times what I do is I go back to the folder where all those are, and I just say maybe create a folder there. Let's say I create a folder, say Drama Kickoff Project, and I select the folder. Okay, it's not sorry, I have to create it here. Let me just copy that. Sorry, my bad. Just create a new folder here and paste it there. So so that's it. Yeah, so I open that and then select that folder. Alright, so once it's selected here, and if you like, you can tell it to calculate the estimated project results, and it will just do that quickly. It's 182. This is what it will be, against what we have here as 14 kilobytes, which is a lie because it's going to add this 123 to 53, and then we have this 182, which is for me correct. Okay, and then you can, I don't think I check any of all this. Okay, but you can see the options. Yes, it says exclude unused clips. I basically used all, but you can check this in case if you didn't use any. So include audio confined files, include preview files, rename. No, preview files will be heavy. If you include preview files, it will be heavy. So most times I don't check it. Okay, because except you have enough space to transport this, and when you get there to because most preview files are in gigs, preview files are more heavier, so I don't even advise you do that. When you get to the next system, or when it gets to the other person, the person can take its time to render it, and it will create its own preview files. By the way, preview files are just files that are created when you hit your render button in Premiere Pro. Okay, so I don't like to include it. It will be too heavy for it. So let's see if we calculate, if it reduces. You see that reduces to 173.49 MB. Rename media files to match clip names. That doesn't matter. So we can just click OK, and then it said the operation requires the project to be saved. Continue. All of these things get to save, and you say yes, and so it goes on and saves. So that is how to do this in Premiere Pro. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do it in Blender. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell notification button so that you can know whenever I post a new tutorial. Until then, peace out.